Hey Rocco, look back and wave me in. No, like wave me into the park. Oh, never mind. You're good. Thrill Max, we are here at the all-new Nickelodeon Universe inside of the American Dream Mall. We are going to take a ride on their launch drop tower, I think. This is their Skyline Scream. Get ready, guys. Here we go. All right. Get ready, we're about to launch up. Here we go, guys. Oh! Whoa! 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 Thrill Max, that was incredible. Oh my gosh, Thrill Max, this was absolutely incredible launch drop tower, guys. This has got to be one of my favorites now. Alright, comment down below if you ever been on this. If you have, what's your favorite seat? What's your favorite view? Well, let us know in the comments, guys. And until next time, this is going to be Thrill Max reminding you to always take your thrills to the max.